Today I'm going to install Windows 11 from Microsoft's official website on an unsupported PC that's over 11 years old. I'll be recording the entire process in real time using OBS Studio, so you can follow along step by step. Please note that during the installation of Windows 11, you can choose to perform a clean installation by formatting the C drive, or keep all your personal files, settings, and installed applications, but in either case, you will retain your Microsoft license. Open your browser and search for Download Windows 11. Or open the description of the video and click on the link to go directly to the download page. First, you need to click Select Download, and select Windows 11. Confirm. Here you can select any language for the Windows 11 interface. I choose English. Now click 64-bit download, and the Windows 11 ISO file will immediately start downloading to your computer. You just need to wait for the download to complete. The ISO file download is complete and you can close the browser. Open Explorer, the Downloads folder. To mount the ISO as a virtual drive, just double-click the ISO file. Open this PC, and take note of the drive letter assigned to the virtual disk. In my system it is drive E, remember your letter. Right-click the Start button, and select Windows PowerShell, Admin. In the PowerShell window, we'll enter just two simple commands. Type cd space E and colon. Replace D with your actual virtual drive letter, if it's different. Enter. Next type /setup.exe space /product space server. And hit enter again. You'll see a window that says Install Windows Server, but don't worry, that's completely normal. We downloaded the Windows 11 ISO file, and at the end of this process, your system will be running Windows 11, as you'll see later in the video. Click Next, and the installer will start preparing your PC. You must accept the license terms. Now we're offered 3 installation options. Keep everything, your personal files, settings, and apps. Keep only personal files, like photos, videos, and documents. Or keep nothing. In essence, this will be a clean installation of Windows 11. I'm choosing the first option, keep everything. Then click Next. Okay, Windows 11 is ready to install. All settings are configured, and if you need to make changes, you can still click back. Otherwise, click Install to begin. But one more thing before we continue. The update process may take some time, and if you are using a laptop, make sure it is connected to a power source. Install. During installation, your PC will restart several times. Please, do not turn off your computer. New Windows 11 is here to welcome us. And yes, the upgrade was successful, and now my PC is running the latest version of Windows 11. Here we can see that all my folders and documents are still on the desktop, and all applications are working as before. I hope everything went just as smoothly for you too. Now let's take a look at the system details. Open Settings, go to the System tab, and scroll down, then click About. Here you can see my processor, and although it's not officially supported by Windows 11, the installation went through without any issues thanks to this method, and so now I have the latest Windows 11 running on my old PC. Go back to the System section, and click Activation. As you can see, Windows 11 is activated with my digital license. Let's confirm that we're still receiving security updates even on this unsupported device. I go to Windows Update, and click Check for updates. And yes, updates download to my computer without any problems. I hope you found this video helpful. Please share it with anyone who might find it useful. Have a nice day, everyone.